Good day, ma'am. My name is Sir Johnny Sigok. And my topic na na-assign sa ko is self-evaluations and franchising. So, the introduction of self-evaluations is first is self-evaluation is fill out personal applications, information may be verified, include personal info, educations, employment, history, and references, personal traits and sites locations. Submit financial report, asset, liabilities, income, loans, insurance, real estate stock, and credit. Mis Misrepresentations can cancel franchise agreement. Characters and honesty are key for approval. So, before mag-franchise sa isa ka business, kailangan muna natin kilalanin kung unsa ta, kung unsa to ang kung kaya ba nato mag-fit diha nga industry. Kailangan mo natin kilalanin atong sarili, mag-fill out sa mga personal info, sa education, sa works, experience at traits. And importante daw kaayo ang honesty kapag mag-apply daw ka og franchise. Kay if di daw ka honest, pwede daw makancel ang application ani. So the next is choosing the business arena. Decide types of business and franchise system. Consider seasonal versus year products. Competitions and regulations, research industry and franchise categories, and evaluate profitability and market demand. So the meaning of this, when choosing a business, dapat pilian yun mo kung asa ka ma-fit bitaw nga business. Kung dapat piliin nimo if gusto ba ka maging food industry or gaming industry, if maging fit ba ka dira, kung seasonal ba na siya or unsa na siya na demand. Kailangan din natin mag-research kung profitable at in demand yung business. Kay if dili, pwede ka malugi or pwede ma-bankrupt ang imong business if di ka kabalo sa imong mga kuan, sa imong mga ginapanghimo dira. So dapat kailangan nimo maging fit dira or gusto nimo na business. So dapat practical at swak sa market ang pipiliin when choosing the business or franchise. The next is the four P's of franchising. So the four P's of franchising, there are four P's of franchising, which is the product, profitability, process, and people. First is the product. Product is a quality, value, demand, and availability, maintenance, and technical requirements. So, the product, quality at demand ng product. So, ang process, paano pinapatakbo ang business, ang profitability, kita at earnings. And ang people, ang support at experience ng franchisor. So, the last one is the tips for choosing the right franchise. So, match the franchise with your skills, interests, and personality. Assess financial and family impact. Focus on franchisor support and people, and review profitability, process, and market potential. So, last steps daw is kapag pumili daw tayo ng franchise, dapat bagay daw sa atong skills at interest nato. Isipin i-mind sa nato ang financial and family impact at check sa nato kung profitable at may support. So, pipiliin natin yung bagay sa tuwa, dili lang tong sikat lang or kuan makigayang ta suban. So dapat piliin nato kung unsa jud atong gusto bitaw, kung unsa ang najud sa atong heart ba. So dapat mopili daw ta sa gusto gyud nato, kanang maging fit gyud ta sa isa ka industry. So dili lang sikat lang, kung sikat mo ni atong pilian, so dili daw inana, dapat kailangan gyud daw nato og kanang maging fit sa to and love na to ang ato ang ginahimo. So that's end for our discussion. Thank you, ma'am. This is my report.